Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a daily routine. And I hope you enjoy it and like, subscribe, and remember, I am in public space, so sorry if you hear so much noise or like screaming. And I tried to use my room to do it, but no, it doesn't work out in there. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on to the video. Ah! What time is it? I'm supposed to be in school. Oh, I remember, I have the day off. I must have overslept. Anyways, let's just get on to the day. Let's see what I can grab. Well, I better get to the bathroom. I'm so tired. I just brushed my teeth, so it's just clean. Ah! There. I'll be clean. I think it's good. Well, I better get a different... Well, looks like I'm gonna have to shower today. I haven't showered in a week. I better get in the shower. Oh my god! Watch this. Oh well. I can barely see that. Get out. Dang. That was a nice bath. That was a great bath. Just get my hairbrush and brush my hair. That looks amazing. I love this hair. Okay, well, I guess I go ahead and pick an outfit. Let me just get my towel. Here we go. Okay, which outfit? Okay, I'll grab this one. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back clothes. I'll grab this outfit and this looks good for an outfit. Well, I better. Oh, what happened here? Oh, must have snowed. That's nice. Oh yes, I love playing in snow. Well, I better get to school. So guys, I don't actually have a car. I basically don't have a car in real life. Oh my god, it's snowing. Okay. I actually just don't speak Spanish. Sorry. Okay. So I would usually walk to school, or probably I'm just gonna use a car for now. Sorry. Don't speak Spanish. Sorry, don't speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. And guys, sometimes I would sometimes I would get breakfast from school or from home. So yeah, I'm just gonna do school breakfast. So I would probably have I would say I think this is the closest pick to a backpack, but I'm just saying it's black and it has sweet sequins and it has like a bear. So yeah, get my books. We don't do lockers, we usually do backpacks. So I'm not gonna use lockers. I would go upstairs, not really upstairs. We wouldn't do this, but we would go in line. And there's stuff here. This is the closest or something. And then we eat at the lunch table. We would eat our sandwiches, water, and whatever I eat at school. Hello. I don't know who this girl is, so I'm not gonna talk to her. And then here are the actually three things. So we actually do art, music. We don't have a study area in my school. Yeah, we would just go to class. I don't have a phone. I have a computer, tablet. Yeah. Oh my god, this person's... I don't speak Spanish. I don't speak that. I just 34, okay. Okay. I don't know. I forgot. Why does everyone in this server speak Spanish? 17 years old. I do this hack. I left. Do we have a test? Yeah, I would basically... What? We don't do exams in my school? Okay. We'll do my best. Seriously? 34 plus 32 plus 32. Oh my god. I hope this is not times or something. The answer is 30. Okay, I'm done. Okay, school's out. I better get my, okay. I'll just put my backpack and stuff in there. Yeah. Yep. Oh wait. Yeah, I would basically do that. And then I would go to like, I would basically stay in the main classroom. And then I get picked up from school. And then I go home. Then I go home. And I mostly go to the kitchen, get my computer from like, I don't know, I'm just gonna call it, I'm just gonna like do it in OpenFun or something like that. But yeah, I get my computer, play Roblox, and make videos, you see? It's basically, and then maybe I have to go to the store with my mom, or probably I watch TV, take a nap, I don't know. But yeah, this would be my game. Yeah, this computer. And then sometimes we usually go to the store. Sometimes I don't know, but. Yeah, so my mom would basically take me to the store, and then we'll shop for the stuff that we need. Maybe go to the clothes shop, you know. But yeah, we would park. Yeah, and then also, guys, I will do another one because I'm gonna do another one of my routines, but it's probably gonna be way different because it's gonna be school, play games, which is number 2, and then at a certain time I have to go to cheer since I'm starting it. But yeah, I would go to the store. We would get chips, ice cream, apples, and actually this happened